To sell on Uniswap, you need to understand the basics of the platform and how it works. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange that allows users to trade cryptocurrencies in a trustless and permissionless manner. First, you need to have a digital wallet that supports Ethereum, such as MetaMask, and some Ethereum in it to pay for transaction fees. Then, go to the Uniswap website and connect your wallet to the platform. Once your wallet is connected, navigate to the Trade tab and select the cryptocurrency you want to sell. Enter the amount you want to sell and Uniswap will show you the best available price based on the current market conditions. Before confirming the transaction, make sure to review the details, including the amount you are selling, the price, and the fees. The fees on Uniswap are typically higher than those on centralized exchanges, so factor that into your decision. After reviewing the details, confirm the transaction and wait for it to be processed. This may take a few minutes, depending on the congestion of the Ethereum network. It is essential to keep in mind that Uniswap is a decentralized exchange, and as such, it does not provide the same level of customer support as centralized exchanges. Therefore, it is crucial to be cautious and do your own research before making any trades. Additionally, be aware of the risks associated with trading on Uniswap, such as price volatility and smart contract risks. To minimize these risks, make sure to only trade with reputable tokens and keep your wallet and transactions secure. By following these steps and being aware of the risks and best practices, you can successfully sell on Uniswap. Remember to always do your own research and stay up to date with the latest developments in the cryptocurrency space.